Hi guys, so I didn't realize I had some things delivered the other day, and so I want to show them to you now. So one of them is an HSN Autoship. I believe it's the Griffin Autoship. I think the Diamond Press pop-up, which would be the, I think, Christmas tree? No, it has something cute. It has cute. I think it might be. Anyway, it's on its way. The Griffin one that's here is that Canton Bleu, maybe is what it's called. I had to see. It's the Autoship from, oh, I don't even know how far back, but it's the next edition, so we'll check that out in just a minute. And then, oh, some stuff from Tonic that I had actually ordered from the UK site. But those things all would be linked in the description box. They're still available. Those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. The Griffin Autoship, I haven't checked HSN site, so it might not be available still, because like I said, it literally just got delivered the last couple days. I just have been distracted. So one quick thing, I did pick up, I told you guys I was going to go and get some of these page protectors from Walmart to use with the We Are Memory Keepers tool. And you know what I should say in this video, I probably will never remember it's in this video, the little tip, I put it in here with the dies that I use the most. I have like a little, oh, it's actually an accessory cup, the one from Diamond Press when they came out with like organization stuff. Just popped it in there because I don't know where else to put it. It doesn't have, it'd be good if this opened and you can, you know, put your tips in there, but it doesn't. So that's where I put it, so hopefully you guys will remind me. But I think I'm more of a fan of this the wheel as far as what it does. I know they have replacement heads, and I'm thinking about getting into it if I use this more than once, you know, than in the video that I did. Because they have one that's a little bit wider, so it does the same kind of seal, but it's a wider thing. So I think that might work out better for me too. Either way, I have that. I did... well, I wanted to pick up page protectors that were thicker to work with this. You know, I was getting something in my throat. So I just want to show you that these are a lot thicker. I think these are like $7 or $8, $6, $7, $8. Like, these are 6 or 7. They're $7.67. I have the receipt right there. And again, just more like not super thick like the pockets that I showed you guys that hold. Well, right now I have this one holding other things, but these pockets are thicker, but I had said that it worked really well with them. The pockets that I always have linked in my description box, they're the stamp and die pockets. These are a little bit thinner, but I do like that they are a little more clear than like some of the other things I tried using, and then they didn't work. So we'll see. And that's just because, you know, I don't know, there's 16 in here for, oh, sorry, 25 in here for roughly $8. So just something, I'm not even going to put that back in there. I'll try it out later. But thank you guys. A lot of people are like, oh, I have that and I never used it, or I had it and I struggled with it, so I'll pull it out. Or a lot of people tell me, oh, you need to you guys, I had this comment a lot. You need to use the slit and the ruler, and honestly the slit and the ruler doesn't make a difference on how it seals. Okay, so that's number one. Number two, I had used it at the very beginning, and that's what I basically commented to everyone, like, yeah, I did use it at the beginning, but like this thing in here, look, it's not even rolling now. It kept getting, I don't know if it was obstructing it. It was just more of a pain in the buns. So for me, I just put it here and roll it off the side. That's no big difference. If you want to use it in the middle and that's how you got to do it, then go for it. But like, it wasn't working. I tried it that way at the beginning, and then I just gave that up real quick. So I understand. So I know not everybody watches every second of the video, and I'm sure people skip and forward and do things, but I did try it the way intended. I always do that in every review video, because then I get comments like, that's not how you're supposed to do it. So I always do, if it's something new, what the company says, and then how I figured a better way, if it's a better way, or at least a way that's easier for me, you know. And it might work for you, so that's great. But just, you know, I did try that, but I got that comment a lot. So it's like, all right, sorry guys. Oh, well, let me go through the stuff from Tonic first, because it's just a few things. It was basically the bundle that has the coffin die, and the coffin die didn't sell out immediately on the US site, so I was like, oh, I'll just order it whenever this other thing launches, because, you know, at the beginning of the week they send an email if you were signed up with them at all, and they'll tell you about what's launching. And then I was like, oh, I'll get it when I get the that round set that had little drawers, which I will definitely make a tutorial, guys, but I'm just kind of doing some other things right now. And then it sold out. So I was like, oh. So I picked it up on the UK site, and now that's sold out too. The bundle is sold out. I believe this might still be available, and I already knew it was going to be close to Halloween. Actually, like I said, this got delivered a couple days ago. I just didn't realize it because my mom had brought it in, I think, or somebody brought it in because it wasn't me. but it was sitting there and I was like, oh, Tonic. How cute. It reminds me of like their jewelry box, the trinket box that they have, which I think is really cute. So this is a coffin. It has like the embossed little area. I just think this is so cute. And honestly, I don't know if that's embossing or if that gets cut out. It looks like, we'll see. But, well, let me open it and we'll find out right now. Super, super cute. Tomorrow they are launching a new color trend, and I will have a video for that too, guys, and it is gorgeous. You guys saw a sneak peek of it in the 61 craft kit, basically called Coral Skies. But super easy. I mean, you have your pieces here. Obviously, you're going to fold it up. So yeah, these pieces they put on there separately. So what it looks like embossed, what they did was they just put some whitewash paint on that. How cute. Oh my goodness. I'm super excited about this. So I'm glad to have it, even if I use it this year or not, but I'm happy to have it. And again, when Tonic sells something out, they mean it. I think the only thing they might have brought back was that memory book from this last launch, whenever they had birthday week, I guess. I think they brought back some of them, but they might be gone again too. But basically what that means, I think they took some stash from somewhere else, but there is no mistakes in crafting, just opportunities to embellish. Oh, so kind of interesting. I would say there are no mistakes in crafting, huh? So maybe is that a British way of saying it, or like is mistakes in crafting like I don't know, a term altogether. Either way, those are really fun. They always have, well, I wouldn't say always because they don't always come, but a lot of times in your orders they'll include like something like this, that little fun crafty saying or something. Happy Halloween, beware. There's the Halloween Elements dice set that doesn't, it's not that it goes along with this set, but you can put it together. It's just some cute stuff, right? So trick or treat. I mean, I am super hyped with this. Beware, Happy Halloween, little cauldron, all these little things. I mean, oh, I wanted a little skull like that. Oh, yay. So cute. And then this one is the Petrified Pumpkins die set, and you can shaker it and stuff like that. Of course, I think the shaker is kind of thin, so here what it looks like they did is they probably put the foam in there and then just worked that little area as they could. Cute. All the little pumpkin faces. And it has Scary Night, Ghostly Greetings, Boo. And really that's what I wanted. I wanted a lot of the words that are in here. Happy Hauntings. Love it. Okay. Oh, and then they continue putting this in. It expires December 31st. $10 off your first Tonic craft kit. So if you haven't signed up or you want to use that, kit 10. Interesting. For the sign up, so if you're signing up. And then this one is TS10. When you spend over 50, you can use the code TS10 until December 31st to get $10 off an order. So I'll have my link there if you guys want to pop over to Tonic and you can pop that in or use that code. And then this is the Anna Griffin. I want to say Slimline. I don't remember what this is for. It's that noir, yes. Wasn't that a Slimline set? Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Anna Griffin Finishing School Craft Box Carte Canton Bleu. Very pretty. Includes dies, cards, layers, envelopes, embellishments, and sentiments. So let's open this guy up. Oh, am I going to have a code here? Yeah, so it has a little code, and I usually forget about that. It has a little inspo there. It looks like a little, like, hutch, but I guess they're, like, maybe a little buffet kind of table in a window, or, like, a little side table in a window. But it looks like a hutch. That's cute. Yeah, I love it. Very cute. Little items. I mean, it's a different kind of thing, right? Love all the inspo that's in here. So we'll just unbox it today. Of course, we'll do a video. And again, I'm sorry about my lighting. It's been getting weird. It gets like yellow for some reason, and it's not even any close to being yellow. So I don't know why I adjust that way, but it's like more of a daylight look, and that's what brings in the yellow as opposed to like blue or fluorescent color. This is pretty. I mean, it has like a China feel to it, right? With the, I didn't really talk about that over here, but the blue and the white and different blues. For my friend, happy birthday, best wishes on your special day. Looks like thinking of you, happy birthday. So lots of different sentiments in there. Of course, you have little swirls and flowers and things. It looks like swirls. That might be a basket, or at least it looks like basket weave right there. Window. Yeah, or it's like a doorway, right? Maybe. That's what it looks like. Tons of gorgeous. This is the kind of set that I would pick up another one of, to be honest, when it becomes available, because I love everything in here. Got the hydrangeas, which are my favorite flower. We have little like china plates, like porcelain, the little like vases, urns, what do you want to call them? But again, that porcelain feel to it, you know? How cute! And then in here we have something. Is that like a pot, like a tureen kind of pot, or what do they call those things? I don't know. Interesting. Another little pot. And then now we have the roses, which is interesting because over here we have some roses, but mostly the hydrangeas. You know how she has the hydrangeas and roses sticker set? That's kind of what's in here. You can see them peeking out there. This one has more of your classic rose. That looks really cute with a little pot. I love that. And then your envelopes. I don't remember how many are in these. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, maybe 20. I think I'm counting it wrong. I thought there were like 25, but that doesn't make sense. Okay, so papers that you can either layer with or cut. It looks like they are double-sided. I guess I will take this off. This is a pretty set, you guys. At least in my opinion, I really like it. So we have those with the little urns and vases and stuff, and blue on the back. That stripe that she has like in her kits here and there, I've seen this paper before, and the back is just tan, like a wood grain. Again, slimline. The back is like a lighter tan than the one I just showed you. Very Asian kind of design on this one. And the back has a different kind of wood grain. Oh, yeah. Linen weave, or linen texture look. A little bit yellow tan. You can see there are different values there. We have the blue, again, with the beautiful pattern. And then it has like a little bit of a checker on this, or like a weave. Looks more like a checker than like a weave pattern though. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, of course I don't know the name of these kinds of birds, but very pretty. What do we got? Some pheasants? I don't know. On the back. Oh, I love this wood. That's really pretty. And then we have this kind of just blue floral pattern. Again, more of an Asian feel to it. And very pale tan on the back. And then kind of like, again, a toile tapestry kind of thing, but with an Asian feel. I don't know if you can see it looks like little boats. That's so pretty with the kite there and the very, very light blue. Really inspired set, very pretty. And I can see that this blue was rubbing off on the envelopes, so just keep that in mind. I don't know what that's about. Let's see here. Card bases. Let's go through these. I'll probably just fan these out. There's 2 of each. And somebody asked before if the color goes all the way around. No, it doesn't. I don't know. Some of her card bases do. And the card kits is normally like this. But I've seen some where it did have color on the back. I don't know. And also, if you're making your own card base, obviously from her papers, it's going to have the same pattern on the back because you just score it and fold it. Really pretty. Again, I love that design there. So pretty. And then we have this guy. And again, with the birds. That's so pretty. Again, it's very similar to what we have over here. And now we have some of these guys that are just like the gold foiling, kind of matte on its own. Look at this one. These are perfect for basically what we're doing here. Those are upside down, just so you know, because it goes like this. The fold is on this side. So, okay. And then tons of gold slimlines, so you can cut those. And I think this is the last bit that's in here. Yep. We have this, again, like a window or cabinetry. I don't know. I guess it depends on how you dress it up. And then the little table. Maybe it's like a desk. Whatever it is that you want to make from it, I suppose. It is interesting that the little pots or the urns are just like this, because there's not a lot of detail to it. You know, this is probably one of the stickers because it has that detail there. This is maybe is just die cut, because there's no, unless you're cutting into them to make them layered up. Do you understand what I'm saying? It's just that. And then we have this pretty one here. So let me see if there's a more example. No. Well, maybe this one might be that one, if it's that small. This one is a die cut. That one's a die cut. See how that one has that? But unless she caught it right in the right spot of the paper, you know what I'm saying? If you're looking at your paper and it has like a swirl or something, so that it looks like the differentiation from the lid. But other than that, the die cuts are gonna be a little more kind of basic to work with, right? As far as the pots. Interesting. Okay, well, that is this, and that is that for my video for right now, because I do have some things from the Dollar Tree, not too many things. It's basically a lot of the same things I've been picking up from there, getting ready for holiday stuff. People are asking me if there's going to be a Christmas swap. Of course there's going to be a Christmas swap, but right now, still, you know, Saturday I think is the last day to send in your fall ephemera swap. I have had people ask, actually a few emails about that, if it can have a belly band. I prefer if you didn't include a belly band on your swap, and I'll grab one of my folders right now. Because it's just that much more. That's something I have to take off and then shimmy back on, you know, when I'm showing it, and then and all that. And also, whenever we receive these, supposedly, you know, I usually do a video that shows you how to make like a binder, which is basically like a flow book. It's basically a traveler's notebook that you're going to bind into this way. So having a belly band doesn't help. Like, it's going to be in the way, actually. So the person's got to remove it anyway. So I wouldn't spend the time making a belly band. If you already did, obviously, I'm not going to say it breaks the rules, because I said use pretty papers. And usually I don't want a lot of decoration on the folder itself, because that just adds to the bulk without adding to the inside, like something that people can use. It's just something that's stuck to the folder, right? Other than your paperclip. So I'm sorry, and I guess I'll make it clear for the next one. But yeah, if you're still working on yours and that, you know, you're working on belly bands, please don't. You don't have to do that. And then what else? Oh yeah, so they're due Saturday, and then the bead cases. Of course, people are working on those. They're not due till mid-November, but please work on them and get them in as soon as you can. I know we're ordering stuff, I'm sure, and things you're waiting for, but as soon as you can get them in, get them in. It actually feels really good to have mine done. I'm just like, okay, I'm just waiting. But now I'm anxiously waiting, so I want to see what people are coming up with. Let me get this fall ephemera one wrapped up, and then we'll start talking about Christmas things. I really like Christmas stuff, so I really want to do a pocket. The loaded pocket was really fun. I don't know if we're going to do a case one for that one, but I love case swaps too, so we'll see. And then probably a ephemera folder swap, because we always like to do that. So maybe one of those will be more like winter wishes kind of thing. I'm just throwing it out there. Like, so it's more blues and whatever you want, or your holiday if that's what you want, and then Christmas ones, I don't know, just to make them different, but we'll see. Okay guys, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out shortly for a video on this pretty boy and those fun things I just picked up, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.